that's it. There's more over here, but the babies, there were more babies than that. I saw a couple. So after they have babies, then they start molting. So we got to go over here. We're going to start collecting peacock feathers, the big feathers. See the big white feathers? That's from the albino peacock, which is extremely rare on that block. One of them knows me. One of them doesn't. So you come over here and you collect peacock feathers, which are quite valuable. Yeah, they stay that color. They stay that brown mixed with the ground color for 3 years. And then the males start growing their tail feathers. It takes 7 to 9 months to grow them. But you don't start getting them until your 3rd season, which means 3 years old. Hi, Rubberneck. So yeah, see, I love that. I love that. I just had a great time. I hope you enjoyed it. I tried to give you as much video as I could. Somebody says, are you at the zoo? No. Nope, just a neighborhood. Because even though houses come, the birds still stay. They stay as long as they can where they're from. How you doing, Rubberneck? Bit up bad. Woo. I got bit up bad. There's another one. Hey, Pillsbury. Ah, cool. Watching you with the peacocks. There's another one here. That's a young one. See, the young males, again, take 3 years. And then they molt. They're going to molt those feathers, and they're going to be all over the ground, all over the place here. And then they'll make new ones. I am not delivering that. Which takes 7 to 10 months, which is the next mating season. Yurt Squad. Yeah, that's a good one too. I like that. Yurt Squad. Pillsbury, Doughboy. I don't know if you like peacocks, but peacock feathers. Ugh. Peacock feathers are so pretty. Well, I've got tail feathers. There's one in the car. You see him sitting on the car? That's a biggest bird. Look how big that bird is on that car. That's a big ass bird. All right. Oh, he's laying on the car. Oh, perfect. Okay, they're all over here too. They come out, seems like before dusk, to eat again. There's one on that grass. There's some girls. You probably can't see them, but I'm looking. There's one. There's two. Oh, there's one on a car. There's a boy over there doing the thing. They're trying to make more babies. It's another boy doing his thing. See him doing his peacock thing. Yeah, they seem to like cars. I like the way they shake their tail feathers. I think that's where shake your tail feathers came from. Peacocks. And then there's more up the road here.